Are you still awake?
Mm, yeah, I think so.
You sound tired.
I am very tired.
Long day?
Yeah, one of those days that feels longer than it should.
I know that feeling.
I sat at my desk for hours, didn't even notice time passing.
Same here. My body feels stiff.
My back hurts.
Mine too.
Office life.
Yeah, office life.
Sometimes I forget what it feels like to really move.
Or breathe fresh air. Real air. Not air that comes out of a machine.
Exactly.
You know, I was thinking about something today.
Thinking can be dangerous.
Maybe. But hear me out.
Okay, I'm listening.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Oh, right.
No work, no emails, no meetings.
That already makes me happy.
What if we do something different?
Different how?
What if we wake up early?
No,
Just wait.
I don't like where this is going.
What if we go hiking?
Hiking?
Yeah, before sunrise,
Before sunrise.
to watch the sun come up.
That sounds beautiful.
It really does.
And also, very early.
I know.
My bed will miss me.
Mine too. But I do miss nature, the quiet, the cold air, the feeling of being small.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Really?
Yes. But I might complain.
That's allowed.
What time?
4
4.
in the morning.
That's still night.
Trust me.
I trust you. For some reason.
You won't regret it.
We'll see.
Good night then.
Good night. Oh no.
Mm.
Is that the alarm?
Yeah, that's it.
Please make it stop.
It's 4 o'clock.
The sky is still black.
I know.
My body doesn't understand this.
Mine either.
Can we pretend we didn't hear it?
If we do, we won't go.
Okay.
Take your time.
Why does the bed feel extra comfortable right now?
It's trying to trap you.
It's winning.
Sit up first.
Okay, I'm sitting.
Good.
I feel dizzy.
That's normal.
I don't like normal.
Go wash your face.
The water will be cold.
Very cold.
Oh, wow.
Cold?
Freezing.
But are you awake now?
Yes, unfortunately. Where's my toothbrush?
By the sink.
Found it.
Look in the mirror.
I look tired.
You look human.
I'll take that.
Let's pack slowly.
Okay,
Water first.
I brought extra.
Good thinking.
I made hot tea.
You're amazing.
Don't tell anyone.
Food?
Bread and something sweet.
Perfect.
Jackets?
Yes, it's cold.
All right, we're ready. Wow,
What?
the street is empty.
It feels like the city is asleep.
I like this version of the world.
Me too.
I'm not sleepy anymore.
Same.
Look at the sky.
The stars are so clear.
We forget they're there. Is this the trail?
Yeah, this is it.
Okay, slow steps, no rush.
The air feels different, cleaner. I can breathe better.
Me too. Can we stop for a second?
Of course.
I'm not quitting,
I know.
just resting.
Take your time.
Look, the sky is changing. Pink, orange.
It's starting.
I'm really glad we came.
Me too.
We made it.
Yeah, we did.
I can't believe it.
Sit down.
Wow.
There it is. The sunrise. Was it worth waking up early?
Yes, completely.
How do you feel?
Calm, strong, alive.
That's my favorite feeling.
Thank you for pushing me.
Thank you for trusting me.
Happy sunrise.
Happy sunrise.